My name is Kathan Shah. I have secured my admission in Northeastern University for Masters in Regulatory Affairs, July 2023. I would like to thank Careerline Education and Bhavin sir for their constant support and guidance throughout the process. Also to my counselors, Nikhil sir, Maulin sir, Jay sir and Drashti ma'am for sending me all the updates and status of my process and application. I would like to extend my thanks to Sheetal ma'am for conducting endless mock interviews and helping me crossing the line of the visa, toughest thing in the US process. And from all that where it began, I thank to Sagar sir for training in my IELTS as my IELTS trainer. He helped me in all the 4 modules and helped me the most in reading section. So Har Kadam Par right advice from the Careerline Education, and I recommend this to the highest to all of them. Thank you.